Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how we can change our name in Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you will see three straight lines in top right corner. Click on that and click on your avatar. Next, you will see pencil-like option there. Click on that and you can type here your name and click on submit. After this, your name will be changed. So this is how you change your name in Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.